both sides is already cooked. Now we have to remove now. We have to turn off now the flame. After this one, I will fry also eggplants. First, I remove this one here. Another day, another recipe to make. So today I'm going to make this kind of recipe instead of using fresh shrimps or small shrimps. So I use this dried shrimp. So I put water here and I soak it for 15 minutes and can be washed also. This one I use this kind of dried shrimps. This is hibbi, and we call this one in Ilocano, in our language, is kuros. So I use eggs also. So must be, I use maybe one only egg and water, and this is G1 garlics, as you can see. This is like onions, it's bulb. So I use only half of this one, and carrots, onions, all-purpose flour. All-purpose flour I use only half cup, and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. So instead of cornstarch, I use corn flour. Then 1 teaspoon of salt and black pepper powder. So first I will remove this water here and I put in container. I will use only 1 egg. If not enough, so I will add 1 more. But I'm sure this is enough, 1 egg. Now we can put now this salt and black pepper powder and all-purpose flour and cornstarch or corn flour. To be followed by onions, garlics, and carrots. Then mix it well. Now we can put now also this dried shrimps. I already washed this one. We can add little bit water. Masarap sana yung fresh na ano na dried hip, yung ano fresh hipon ba na maliliit. Kaya lang wala dito. Pero masarap din siguro ito pag dried. So this, nakagawa na din ako nito noon, long years ago, to 4 years ago yata, Pokoy. Now I will fry it now. I put already oil here in non-stick pan, but I think there is too much oil here. So this is already hot. That's no problem because I will fry also eggplant here. Tatlong ukoy la itong gagawin ko kasi baka ayaw nila. Flame must be slow so it will cook nice. So I think this is already cooked now. We have to turn side. Ayan. Nangangamoy ano na. Nangangamoy hipon. Ayan. Cooking or frying okoy. Dried small shrimps. Instead of fresh small shrimps, so I use dried shrimps. Yung maliliit, yung hibbi. Yung Coros Ilocano tawag namin. Frying organic eggplants. May dalawang eggplants na kinuha ko 3 days ago yata. Hindi ko pa naluto lahat. So ito piprito ko na lang. Marami pa doon bunga ng aming talong. Walang sira. Yung talong. Ayan. Walang uod. So ito na yung aking okoy. And then gumawa din ako ng sauce. May kunting suka. Then onions at saka organic garlics at saka green chilies. Ayan ang aking sausawan. Meron din akong salad, organic na cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and then organic eggplants. So ito na yung aking ukoy o kaya fritters. Then may sausawan na suka, green chilies, onions, at saka G1 garlics. Ito nagpapainit ako ng kanin kasi kahapon nagluto ako ng rice. So meron pang natira. Kasi nagluto ako kahapon ng red kidney beans curry. Kaya ito para sa kanila. Nag-ulam din ako nito kahapon. Tanghali at saka dinner. So ito yung aking lunch. Masarap ito. Ayan. Ito mas lalo ito. At saka talong. Let's eat lunch everyone. White rice, organic cucumbers, organic cherry tomatoes, and this is already dried small shrimps or okoy or fritters, and organic fried eggplants with sauce, vinegar, green chilies, onions, and G1 garlics. Alhamdulillah for my lunch for today. It's a Filipino dish or recipe. Simple recipe or simple dish. Ayan, kain na tayo ng lunch at ako'y gutom na kasi 2:20 p.m. na yata. So ito yung aking okoy o kaya fritters. Ayan, tingnan natin kung crispy ba. Ito muna ang tikman natin. Sausaw natin sa suka na may onions, G1 garlics at saka green chilies. Ayan. Bismillah, wala barakatillah. Sarap. Cherry tomatoes. Ito yung aking kamay nung nagbalat ako kahapon ng walnuts. Ayan, oh. Tagal matanggal. Bisikan natin ng asin yung talong. Ayan, talong. Sarap ng okoy kahit hindi fresh yung hipon. Mm. Sarap magkamay. Hindi ko naubos ang kanin. Busog na. Ito yung isang okoy na ubos ko kasi malaki kasi eh. So may pang dinner pa ako hanggang bukas pa ito ng umaga o kaya tanghali. And then itong dalawang talong mamayang gabi ko kainin. Ayan, ito yung cherry tomatoes. Masarap ang cherry tomatoes at saka yung organic na cucumbers. Ayan, masarap isawsaw sa sa suka. Inaubos na yung suka. Kunti lang kasi nilagay ko. Kaya busog-lusog. Alhamdulillah ilazi at tama wa sa kana wa jalla minal muslimin. Itong ukoy na ito, fritters ito maganda ito sa mga kalalakihan diyan, mga kababayan ko na pang pulutan ba, sumsuman kung sa Ilocano. Ayan, itong aking fritters, ukoy. Parang na din, fresh na parang sariwa na din na yung maliliit na hipon. Hindi mo malalaman na dried itong aking niloto.